Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can create a lead capture page within minutes using Chatsonic AI and Leads Leap. And you'll see that Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. But what I want to do is I want to help you get a pro account. So a bit later on in the video, I'm going to give you some free tools, some free resources, and some free training where you can promote Leads Leap and you can get a pro account. And when you get a pro account, you can add an additional income stream. I'll show you proof of that a bit later on. But you can also, with a pro account, you can start to really automate your online business. If you're not familiar with Chatsonic, so Chatsonic AI, if you go into Google here and you type in Chatsonic AI. Chatsonic AI is free. It's a free software. There is an upgrade version, but the free version gives really superb benefits and features. And I don't recommend you click on these here because they're sponsored adverts. So someone's paying for those. Just come down here and you click on this one here. It's called Write Sonic, but they use the word Chatsonic. And it says here, a chat GPT alternative with superpowers, because chat GPT was only current up to the year 2021. And chat Sonic, they're saying it's 10 times more powerful. And I'll just show you here exactly what it looks like. 10 times more powerful with a lot more features. So you can ask it complex questions. It will also create digital artwork for you. You can give it voice commands, so it works on the same way as Alexa or Siri, and you can also generate professional content. So what we're going to do today, we're going to create a lead capture page, and one of the hardest things, especially for beginners, is to know what do I write on my lead capture page? What copy do I put on there that's going to prompt a prospect to put their email address and you can capture their information. So all you do, you go into this window here. So when you write a sentence in here, it's called a prompt. It's not called a search like in Google or excuse me, any of the other search engines. It's called a prompt. So we're going to prompt Chatsonic, and we're going to say, write me 5 lead capture headlines for a free list builder. And then you just press enter, and then Chatsonic goes to work. You'll see here it says fetching best results. So literally within seconds, you've got 5 lead capture page headlines for a free list builder. So you're getting a free list builder here. You'll see you're getting a free list builder. It says here, call it list manager, but you're getting a free list builder within Leads Leap. So have a look at these different headlines here, and you decide which one you think is really good that you want to put onto your lead capture page. And I'll show you literally in minutes now how we're going to create that. So the one that I like best out of all these is this one here. Get our free list builder and skyrocket your email list growth today. I quite like that one. You might like some of the other ones. And so I'm going to use number 2. So you see, even as an absolute beginner, you don't have to. Before, people were paying; they're going onto Fiverr and paying for someone to create this content. It's now totally free for you as a beginner. And we're going to go into dashboard. So when you set up a free Leads Leap account, you come into a dashboard here. And I don't want you to get overwhelmed. The menu is down the left-hand side. I don't want you to get overwhelmed with all these different features here. If you click the link in the description, then I'm going to give you a free video training course. Within this video training course, it takes you through every single feature within this Leads Leap menu with some detailed tutorials. So we're holding your hand every step of the way. But just for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is. So we're going to go into Page Manager, and within Page Manager, there are lots of templates done for you. So all you do is you go on to, this will teach you in the video tutorials how to do this. There are side-by-side tutorials here if you like to learn by reading text, but I prefer video tutorials, so we created this video course for you. So all you do, you go on to add a new page. It's really beginner friendly. We're going to give it a page name. Let's call it Free List Builder. And I'm going to promote the list builder itself. Click Add Now, and then that's just adding the new page. And then all you do is you come down here. So all these instructions are in the video tutorials that we're going to give you. So add a new design. There's a thing here called share code. So there's thousands of other Leads Leap members online that have created pages before. So you can put a share code in there if you want to do, if you know anybody who's sharing their share code with you. But just for the purpose of today, we're going to add a blank page design. Really beginner friendly, really easy to use. You just take your time with it. The video tutorial will take you through this every step of the way. You'll see here, it says here, click this to start designing. So you launch your editor, and then what you're going to bring up here is all these done for you templates. Really beginner friendly, really easy to use. You'll see on the left hand side here, opt-in page. That's what we're going to use today. And there's thank you pages, review pages, sales pages, and you get all of this for free with Leads Leap. Free lifetime membership. The value is absolutely insane what you get with this platform. So for the purpose and simplicity of today's video, let's use this one here. All you do is click on there, updates the editor, and then on the right hand side is where you have all the information that you're going to put into here. So you'll see when I hover my mouse over this template here, it highlights all the different features. So all we're going to do here is just change this text here. Now, what did ChatGPT say to us? It said, get our free, let's copy and paste that. So all we do is we highlight it. You go on your keyboard, Control C. You come over here into your page builder. And on the right hand side, if you click on there, on the right hand side, you'll see here the text, and you can do, it's like a WYSIWYG, like in an email. You can do lots of different things. We'll teach you all in the video tutorials. The more you do this, the easier it gets. So don't get overwhelmed when you first join. And all you do is you remove that there, and we're going to Control V and replace it with our text. And you've now got a done for you lead capture page. We're going to take out this little yellow line here. So you just click on there, and you see in the top right hand corner, it's got that little yellow line there. Just click delete, and that'll go. And then we're going to change this little button here. So you hover your mouse over here, you click on there, and it brings up the text on the right hand side. And we're not going to say make $100 a day. We're promoting a free list builder. So you just type in there, I want my free list builder, and then that's it. And that's how simple it is. And then what you can do is you can do a preview, so you can have a look at what you've just created. And then what it very cleverly does, and that really now, then you get an affiliate link, you get a link to promote that. And then that's how simple it is, using Chatsonic AI for free, and also using the free tools in Leads Leap. And you see the top right corner here, it shows you how it looks on desktop. If you click on tablet, that's how it will look if someone's using maybe an iPad or a tablet. And you click on mobile, and that's how it's going to look on someone's mobile or cell phone. So it completely configures itself automatically. Very, very clever software. It configures itself automatically depending on what device your prospect is going to be using when they search and find your information. So that's how simple it is. This is the video training course here. And then what I want to show you now is Leads Leap as an affiliate, because what we want to do is we want to get you to pro. So what you can do is, as a free member, you can earn 25% monthly recurring commissions by promoting Leads Leap. So you can promote the list builder like we've just shown you. And then with the list builder, if anybody joins the list builder and upgrades, you earn a monthly recurring commission. You'll see here my total earnings by promoting Leads Leap are now $578. So I've done other videos on this, but what as a pro member you get a lot more benefits. With a pro member you get automated traffic, you get an automated autoresponder sequence. There are a lot more benefits with a pro version. So what we're going to do to help you promote Leads Leap as a pro member, I'm going to give you this lead capture page. We're going to give you this page here, which promotes the Leads Leap course. So you can promote your list builder, but you'll see here we've created this Leads Leap funnel for you to promote Leads Leap, the Leads Leap course. We've got some capture pages there, a thank you page. So all you do is these share codes here. You follow your video tutorials. We teach you how to set these pages up. And then when someone clicks on here to join, then we teach you how, when they opt in here, how they get their free Leads Leap course. You're just going to put your Leads Leap information in here, your affiliate link, and also they get the course there. So you're giving away a free video training course for Leads Leap, and you're going to get some affiliate referrals by putting your affiliate link in there. It's all very beginner friendly and very easy to follow, step by step, one thing at a time. So, and if you want some free traffic to promote Leads Leap, I'll pin this blog post that I did to the top comment below this video, and I share with you my five of my best traffic sources that I personally use every day, free traffic sources. So if you're on a tight budget and you want to start promoting Leads Leap and get to your pro account, and just 2 referrals would earn you enough to be paying for your pro membership. And even as a free member, you're going to get those monthly recurring commissions. So everything today is everything today is free, and everything today is very, very simple to use. And if you enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd think anybody else will get value from this video, then please share it as well. If you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Leads Leap, Chatsonic AI, about becoming a pro member of Leads Leap, you don't have to become a pro member. You can stay free for life, but we do recommend you work towards pro. And if you want my mentoring to help you do that, then I'll help you promote Leads Leap and get your pro membership, because my goal is to help you get the best out of this platform. I use Leads Leap for, you'll see these commissions here. I use Leads Leap every day to build my online business. And all the proof of commissions that you see on here, the majority of these is what I've used, either with the lead capture pages or the autoresponder follow-up messages. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.